upload a longer video on Facebook. As far as I know, Facebook only lets you post a video that's 1 minute long, and you cannot post if it's more than a minute long. So let's check if it's true. First of all, open your Facebook and tap on create a story. So here you can see I have a video of 1 minute and 28 seconds, and it says longer videos are shortened to 60 seconds long, but you can trim them first. So I'm just going to tap on this scissors icon to trim the video. And yeah, I cannot stretch it any longer than 1 minute. So the maximum cap for a Facebook video is 1 minute. But let's see if we can add a story on Facebook Messenger. So in order to do that, here you will land on the chats, tap on stories and tap on add to story. I'm gonna tap the same video that's 1 minute long, and as you can see, Messenger only lets you post 30 seconds of the video, so it's even lesser than the Facebook. So if you want to post a longer video, it can only be a minute long. Facebook doesn't let you post more than that. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.